Peeps, it's like deja vu. I have watched this movie before and I did not enjoy it. The acquisition of another Jamaican dream house has led to a Jamaican nightmare. Retired Birmingham charity worker murdered in his new Jamaican dream home. Sad.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A Birmingham charity fundraiser has been murdered on the Sunshine Island where he had hoped to start a new life. Delroy Walker's body was found at the beachfront home in Tower Isles, Rainover, St. Mary that he had purchased only weeks before. He had been stabbed multiple times in a brutal attack. The 63-year-old charity champion's wife, Pauline, was poised to fly to Jamaica to join him for their new start before tragedy struck. The couple had been married for only 3 years. Now she has flown out to Jamaica as a widow. A bodybuilder by trade and a qualified electrician, Delroy was an active and passionate fundraiser for West Bromwich-based Friends of Brandon Hill, colleagues said. The charity is dedicated to helping children in need in the West Indies and has the slogan, helping young people to achieve independence through the power of education. A fellow volunteer said Delroy lived in Birmingham and has strong links through family and friends with the city. He had moved to Lewisham, South London before flying out to acquire his Jamaican dream. Delroy returned to the country of his birth 8 months ago, convinced that Jamaica needed former nationals to return and help the economy. His new home had only recently been completed. It was a decision that cost him his life. The alarm was raised at 9:15 a.m. on April the 19th after a passerby spotted a trail of blood leading from the house. The Jamaica Observer ran the shocking story under a one-word headline, shameful. Best friend Derek Staple, who has known Delroy since secondary school, said his kindness is his weakness. He trusted everyone. He was too trusting. I knew him inside out, his mood, his temperament. I have a picture of him on the mantelpiece. He always had a plan to return to Jamaica in the back of his mind. It was a life he wanted. He loved to farm and he enjoyed walking. He will be buried in Jamaica. He wanted to be buried where the sun shines. If we brought him back to Birmingham, he would haunt us. Even now, it is hard to believe. It is like a dream, knowing that he is not coming back. He was very happy. He had bought a beautiful home. It was like paradise. I was due to fly out and joke that I had bought a fishing rod and intended to do some fishing from his garden. Delroy was a man who always had a smile on his face. That is what makes what happened so hard to understand. We are really devastated. His wife, his children, and my family are all distraught. The information we are getting is a bit sketchy because he was alone in Jamaica. They are not sure if it was a robbery or what. Him and my big brother were best friends. Wherever you saw one, you saw the other. It is just devastating. I just can't believe it, to be honest with you. He went back to Jamaica trying to enjoy retirement, and he did not get a chance to enjoy it. He was a kind man, very pleasant and decent. People are just devastated. We just can't believe it happened. You know, our hearts just can't manage. It is distressing. We hope that they find the killer, the man said. The police have said that no one has been taken into custody, but they are following strong leads. Tell about us as Jamaicans, don't? What an amazingly sad story. Rest in peace, Mr. Delroy Walker, and condolences to the family and friends. Sad. Hope the killers are brought to face the full force of the Jamaican justice system. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.